Hi all, in this video we shall see the chapter in March in detail. Let's start with the antonyms. We have four antonyms from the poem: strongest, weakest, rising, lowering, retreated, advanced, prevailing, losing. We have one word questions. The lake or stream is flowing. The answer is stream. The stream is flowing. There is sun or rain on the fields. The answer is sun. There is sun on the fields. The army defeated refers to the rain or snow. Answer is snow. The army defeated refers to the snow. The plowboy or shepherd is shouting cheerfully. The plowboy is shouting cheerfully. The word sailing refers to clouds or boats. The word sailing refers to clouds. In the poem, the rainy season is starting or over. It is over. Now we have some textual questions. Write briefly on the first 5 lines of the poem. The first 5 lines of the poem paint the picture of a typical morning in March in the countryside. The cock is crowing early morning and the stream continues to flow. The small birds are happily awake and chirping, and the sun's rays make the lake glitter. So, in the first 5 lines of the poem, the poet is presenting a beautiful morning in the month of March, that is in the spring season. He could see a cock is crowing, the stream is flowing, and the birds are happily awake and chirping, and the sun rays make the lake glitter. Second question: what has happened to the snow? The snow has melted because it is the beginning of the spring season and the snow has melted. What does the blue sky prevailing mean? It means the sky is blue. Why does the poet compare the snow to an army? The poet compares the snow to an army to show that, like a defeated army goes back to its country, the snow has also lost its battle and spring has come and the days of winter are now over. The poet is making a comparison between the snow and defeated army. Just like the defeated army retreat from the battlefield, go back from the battlefield, the snow is also going back from earth. The winter season is over now. We can also say that the poet is imagining a battle between winter and spring, winter season and spring season. And in the battle, the spring season won and the winter season was defeated. So it is gradually retreating from earth. So the defeated winter season is compared to the defeated army. Both are retreating from the field. So this is the comparison made by the poet. Next question: why is there so much joy that the rain and snow are gone? There is so much joy that the rain and snow are gone because now the fruits, flowers, and crops can grow. Next question: the cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feeding like one. A. What are the cattle doing? The cattle are grazing in the green field. B. Why are their heads never raising? Their heads are never raising because they are busy eating the fresh green grass. C. How many are there? There are 40 of them. Next question: small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing, the rain is over and gone. What are sailing and where? Small clouds are sailing in the sky. How is the sky? The sky is clear and blue. What is over and gone? The season of snow, rain is over and gone.